Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maggie. I am a closet organizer as well as stylist based in Toronto. You can find me on Instagram at Essential Styling Tio. If it's your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe to my channel as well as leave me a comment in the comment box below so that way I can say hi. As always, don't forget to also like this video so that way YouTube knows that we're doing something fun over here and they're gonna boost my video up so that way more people can also find this video. So let's get into this video today. This is the perfect time for me to do this video because we are transitioning into spring and summer now. A lot of people start to do this spring clean out. Your closet is probably one of the places in your house that you spend quite a lot of time, regardless if you have a big or small closet. And this is a space that you have to keep clean. You have to tidy up every season. At least that's what I try to do. I try to clean my closet every season, but you don't have to. When I advise my clients, I always tell them twice a year is great, maximum 4. And 4 will be for every season, so spring, summer, fall, winter. Or you can just do a clean out twice a year, which will be one for fall and winter and the other one for spring and summer. So since we're going into spring, I want to share with you guys my spring 5 steps closet clean out so that way you can do it in your home. So hopefully my spring steps closet clean out will help you refresh your closet, create some space so that way you can enjoy your wardrobe. Step number 1, and this is one step that I think it's the hardest out of all the steps because this is where you get to truly be honest with yourself and honest with your clothes, because step number 1 sets up the scene for everything else that is to come. So step number 1, I would say you have to decide what goes and what stays, and that is done by having 3 piles of clothes. So get garbage bags or get boxes or baskets, or if you don't have any of that, just use the space on your bed or on the floor to create 3 piles. Pile number 1 will consist of everything that you want to keep. Pile number 2 will consist of everything that you want to sell or donate. And pile number 3 will consist of everything that you want to repair. You want to keep them, but they just need repairing. So what I do with my clients is we go through every single item. So we pull one item out of a closet and I ask her, when was the last time you wore this? Have you worn this in the past 3 to 6 months? Is this still part of your style? If the answer is yes, 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 and that's how we know we're gonna keep it. If the answer is no, maybe, then maybe it's time for it to go. So put it in the pile that you're gonna sell or you're gonna donate. Or if you said, I absolutely love this, but I just don't think it fits me properly anymore, then that's something we can put in the repair because you can easily get it tailored and that way you can enjoy the item again. So go through your entire closet, the entire closet, one item at a time. Ask yourself those questions. Have I worn this 3 to 6 months? Is this still part of my personal style? Does this item bring me joy? Does it make me happy? Do I see myself wearing this again? So after going through every single item in your closet, and I mean every single item, including your shoes, your purses, even your intimate, your underwears, your bras, everything, go through all of them, create 3 different piles, and once you're done, step number 2 is to find a new home for your old stuff. That is all the stuff that you're gonna be selling. Where are you gonna be selling it? Are you gonna be selling it by yourself? Are you gonna be selling it through an app? Are you going to sell it, through a consignment store? Decide exactly how you wanna sell your pieces so that way you get your money back. And that also includes donating. How do you plan on donating these items? Do you wanna go through Goodwill, Salvation Army, or do you wanna have like a party and get all your girlfriends come over so they can go through all your clothes that you're donating so that way they can have some new pieces in their wardrobe? That is a great way to be sustainable and recycle all your pieces. So when you're done with an item, you give it to someone else and hopefully they will do the same when they're done with it. They will give it to someone else. So that way you guys are prolonging the longevity of the item and nothing is going to waste. After deciding the home for your old items, now you're gonna move into step number 3. So step number 3 will be get closet essentials for better organization. So this product. Get matching hangers, get bins and baskets if you need them, get drawer dividers so you can better organize your drawers, and that also includes trays for your accessories. Matching hangers are a huge essential for your wardrobe. If you've been following me on Instagram or if you have been watching my previous videos, you know how much I love matching hangers, and I will always advise someone to get matching hangers because it creates cohesiveness in your closet, it makes your closet look super clean and organized even when it's not. So if you have matching hangers, it will totally change the way your closet looks visually. It will make it look very organized, and also it's space saving, you know. Like you can tell in my closet, I have all black velvet hangers. I love them because my clothes don't slip, they don't poke my clothes and create, you know, dents. Organizing your clothes by categories will help you so much when you are getting ready. And I will even take it a step further, is to color coordinate everything within categories, so that way when it's time for you to get ready, you know exactly where the items you are looking for are, and you know exactly what you have and what you don't have. The best way for you to tell what needs to be hung is if it can blow in the wind, it needs to be hung. If it's a little too heavier, I would also consider it to be hung, like blazers. If it's like a sweater, maybe folding it will be your best option. If you don't know how to fold it, definitely head to my Instagram. I have a whole folding highlights, check it out. Also, utilize baskets for seasonal items, things that you want to store away, you don't want it to be out in the open. Jewelries trays are a great way to have your jewelries properly organized, because they keep your jewelries put, and also it just adds a little bit of a glam into your closet. So I always recommend people to utilize trays for their small dainty jewelries. After you get all the essentials for your closet and you reorganize your closet with all the items that you decided to keep, now it's time for you to shop in your closet. This is my favorite step. I have made a whole video on how I shop in my closet. I will link it here, go check it out. But shopping in your closet is a great time for you to start pairing pieces, you know, the tops and the bottom, create outfits. It's just a great way to rebuild your closet and your personal style, so that way you know, okay, I have all my core pieces in my wardrobe. I can create outfit with this item multiple ways. They are super versatile, and this is also a great step, because this step also helps you really truly identify if that item that you wanted to keep, if you truly want to keep it. Because sometimes we say, yeah, we want to keep it, but then when it comes time to putting an outfit together, then we suddenly realize that, oh, it actually doesn't work with the remaining of our closet. So if that's not the case, just put it into the pile with the items that you want to donate or sell, or maybe just needs a little bit of repairing, maybe because you thought it still fits you the same, but maybe it doesn't. So this is a great step for you to play dress up, experiment with your closet, as well as if they are versatile enough to still remain in your wardrobe. And that leads me to my final steps, which is step number 5. And step number 5 is to find the gaps in your closet. After you have all your clothes reorganized in your wardrobe, step back and take a look. Do I need more denims? Do I need more blazers? Do I need more basics? This is a great step, because this steps actually helps you when it comes to shopping. So next time when you are shopping, you would know exactly, okay, I don't have a lot of basics after doing the clean out I did in my closet. Maybe that's what I should shop more of. Or you can say, you know what, I need a white pant, or I need a black pant, or I need to add to my denim. So this is a step where you actually take a step back and fill in the gaps of the missing items, because you did a huge clear out. And those are all the 5 steps, guys. So let's restate them. Step number 1 is to decide what goes and what stays. Step number 2, find a home for all the old stuff. Step number 3 is to get closet essentials for better organization. And step number 4 is to shop in your closet / rebuild. Step number 5 is to fill in the gap. I hope this video was so much fun. It was very simple and light, but I wanted to share with you guys this spring 5 steps closet clean out, because I think this will be very helpful to a lot of you guys that are planning on reorganizing your closet for the season. If you have any question, as always, don't hesitate to let me know down below. If you tried these steps, tag me, send it to me, DM it to me. However, I would love to see your work. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, as well as leave me a comment down below. Follow me on Instagram at EssentialStylingTio, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!